going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing part 3 of the Nova build. Today we are starting to do the sheet metal wheel tubs. So we do have our templates here that we kind of laid some cardboard paper down on the tires, jacked them up into the wheel wells all the way against the old sheet metal, kind of traced it. We are scooting it down a little bit, so we're gonna have an extra inch worth of material here. We are gonna go around, clean up the edge a little bit, which will take away some material. So that's why we're leaving a little extra, and we're gonna have a little bit of overlap to allow for much easier welding. It'll have actual sheet metal behind it instead of trying to weld on 2 edges. So I am going to go ahead and start shearing this one out. We got the electric shears here, sliced off the axis on one. So now I'm going to start following this lovely curvy line here. We're going to see how this goes. It's all you, dog.
It's all me.
Getting that on top is gonna be fun. Alright guys, so I jumped ahead here and I pulled all the rear end, everything out. The housing is out. I fully stripped it down to bare nothing. It's pretty much ready for powder coat. They'll give it a quick blast, make sure it's clean, then they'll clean it. Well, then they'll powder coat it. So I have all the 4-link, everything out. Everything is up here on the table, pulled apart. All the linkage, the coilover mounts, we're gonna powder coat those. So everything's gonna be black or like a charcoal gray. We're back and forth on the color right now. And then the track bar, everything right there in the housing is going to get powder coated. So that is stripped out. I had to bust out some tools, pull this thing apart. So I got the axles out, the brake assemblies out, the bearing races are out. The coilovers are out, all the heims, all the bracketry, all the bolts, everything, nuts, bolts, all hardware is in that bin so we don't lose anything. So we are gonna get that all taken down to powder coat. And I don't know how long it'll take, a week or two, we'll get it back, but we are currently working on sheet metal. Michael's killing it on these wheel tubs, but I did start mounting the rear bumper. I do have the bracket drawn up. I'm gonna run in the office and I'll show you guys that real quick. All right, what's going on, guys? So I just got everything back from powder coat. I'm gonna go ahead and open a couple things up. I have not even seen the color yet. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. I haven't quite seen the color yet, so let's check it out. I know I picked out what I picked out, but I haven't seen the finished product yet. Oh, anything has turned out. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right. All the threads are clean. Look at that, it's beautiful. All right, one of the big ones I really want to see is the rear end here. Once I get all this open, probably not gonna start it tonight, but I'll probably throw this whole rear end, everything, do final assembly on it tomorrow. Get it all back up under the car. All right. Yeah, baby. All right, let's see here. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, look at that, everybody. All right, check that out. Yeah, that turned out real nice. All right, I'm gonna get all this open so you guys don't have to get too bored here. All right, there is everything. See the rear end. Let's go ahead and tip it up. You can see we put our brake tabs on top. Perfect. Yeah, this looks real nice. Everything I've had done from that powder coater. See, he taped off the ends. Everything's turned out really nice. Alright, so real quick, I'm making these bumper brackets that are basically going to bolt to the new inner mounting supports on the Nova bumper here. So this is going to be the plate where it actually bolts on. The holes are off-centered just a little bit. This outer one drops a little bit more. And then I do have the contour of the outside of the quarter panel. So we will be able to actually panel bond that in as well for extra vibrating support and stuff on the outside of the car. And then this is actually the top plate. It's gonna go flat. I just put it here so it cuts them both as a pair. That is an 1.5 inch basically spacer plate off of the back of the frame. It's gonna go 1.5 inch back and then down, which is where this is gonna be. And that should give us the proper body line gaps and everything. So then I went ahead and I put it on sheet cam here, made the cut program. So now I'm gonna run out and I'm gonna cut a pair of these out. Alright guys, so we have the center sheet metal in. We cut it out real quick on the CNC table. Wheel tubs are fully welded in. We do have it stitched all the way around the frame. So that is officially sealed off that section. All the way to the front of the fuel cell thing. We are going to extend our weld, probably weld all the way across that back one. But everything up through here, we're just going to do solid 2-inch stitches here and there. But that is where we are at so far for the sheet metal. So over here, I've been working on this, the bumper, while he's been working on that sheet metal. I got the new brackets in, all new hardware is in, new bolts to go to the chassis mounts. These are our chassis plates that are going to this bolts to the bumper, and that top is going to weld to the back of the chassis. Here is our other one. So these are our bumper brackets that are basically, these bolt to the bumper brackets, and then this is the spacer which is going to branch forward to the frame, which that's going to get welded all the way around along the back, and this whole seam is going to be welded to the frame. This actually is curved. It matches the curvature of the quarter panel, so it's going to sit in here like so, and that is going to all get seam sealed to the car. Burning in our bumper brackets. That's wired like that. Alright, so you can see this is our bumper bracket. It does have a nice radius with the outside edge. Tucked nice and tight on the frame here. So we're just going to run a nice bead all the way across the top, all the way through our little angle. You see how nice and tight the outside edge is? We are going to put a nice fat bead of panel bond on there. So the only reason we're not going to weld the outside edge is because the car is painted and we're not trying to burn through all the sheet metal. But yeah, that's what he's welding in right here. Alright, so today we are back on the Nova again. Michael's continuing on the sheet metal work, which by the way is turning out beautifully. I'm over here assembling the rear end. So we just got it up on jack stands, microfiber wrapped all of our stands just to make sure we don't scratch any of the fresh powder coat. Let me show you the back side here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably do a nice time lapse getting that one done. And he's over here finishing all the sheet metal.
Wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I God is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is every like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Yeah.
Alright, so we have both axle shafts in. We have the third member. Everything is in, fully torqued up, fully spec'd up. We have the breather tube in. We need to put the drain plug in. We'll do that right now. But that is basically it. It's all ready to go. It needs to basically slide the rotors on and fill it with fluid, which we're gonna do that when it's actually under the car. We are up on the table, so I don't want to keep adding weight that's unnecessary to it. But yeah, she looks real good. She's fully assembled, torqued up, and ready to go. Everything is sealed up. We use the Right Stuff 1 minute gasket maker. This stuff is amazing when you're doing rear ends. So there she is. Good to go.